Are you an Instagram creator who's frustrated because you can't find that perfect song for your reel or story? Many creators have run into this problem where it seems like Instagram's music library isn't showing all the songs it should. You know that song you want is popular, but it's just not there. What gives? The good news is there's a common reason this happens, and it's an easy fix. Often this issue stems from having an Instagram professional account. While professional accounts offer great tools for businesses and creators, they can sometimes limit your access to the full music library due to licensing restrictions. Instagram has to be careful about what music it makes available for commercial use. Here's how to get all the songs back. From your Instagram feed, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down and under the section for professionals, tap on business tools and controls. And now tap on switch account type. And from these options, choose switch to personal account and confirm your decision. It might take a moment for the change to process. Once it's done, you should have access to the complete Instagram music library, allowing you to find all the songs you've been missing. Did you know you can recover deleted chats on Instagram? Check out this video for a full guide.